In today's video, I am going to teach you how to build an advanced project management system in Airtable. Start by going to Airtable in your browser. Once you are on the Airtable homepage, look for Templates and Apps. Clicking there takes you into Airtable's template library, which is a fast way to start with a proven structure, instead of building everything from scratch. Next, place your cursor in the search bar and type Highlight. This helps narrow down the template options quickly. In the results, find and select the Marketing Agency Project Management template. This template is useful even if you are not an agency, because it includes projects, tasks, resource planning, and reporting views that translate well to many teams. Now click Try this template to add it to your Airtable workspace. After the base opens, click into Projects. This is where high-level work is organized and where you can track progress across multiple initiatives. From here, you will review several reporting and dashboard-style views. Click Revenue Recognized MOM to see month-over-month performance tracking. Then click Gross Profit Margin MOM to monitor profitability trends over time. Next, click Customer Lifetime Value to understand longer-term value by customer, followed by Gross Profit Margin by customer. You will notice this view appears twice in the navigation, so click it again if needed to confirm you are looking at the correct customer-level margin breakdown. After that, click Team Utilization to get a sense of workload and capacity. Then click Team Details for a more granular look at team member information. Move next to Campaign Timelines for a time-based view of scheduled work, and then click Campaign List to see campaigns in a straightforward list format. Switch over to the Project Management area, then click Tasks. This is the day-to-day execution center. Open unassigned tasks to spot items that still need an owner. Then click Active Tasks to focus on what is currently in progress. After that, click Active Projects to filter to ongoing work. And click Campaign List View to return to a campaign-focused list view. Now click Resource Allocation to see how work is distributed. Then open PTO Approvals to manage time-off requests, and Scope Approvals to track approvals that impact delivery. Click Creative Team to focus on creative-specific workflows. Then click Campaign List View again, followed by All Assets to review deliverables and files. Finally, click Client to view client-related information in the base. To extend this system with automation, go to Make. In the Make dashboard, click through the highlighted areas to locate the template you need. Then open the template for creating a document from an Airtable record. Click Create New Scenario from Template. And in the Scenario Editor, click the highlighted modules to begin configuring the connections and settings. That covers everything you need to know.